Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will help you to write simple instructions, procedural texts, how to do or make something. This is for beginner English students. We write procedural texts or instructions for recipes, how to cook something, directions, how to get somewhere, or instructions, how to make or do something. You can number the steps 1, 2, 3, 4 or list them. First, you need a title, a name, for example, how to make a fruit salad. Then you need to write down each step. Wash your hands and the fruit. Our first step. Cut the fruit into small pieces. Then the next step. Put the fruit into a large bowl. Mix the fruit with a spoon. Put the fruit into small bowls. The last two steps, add 2 spoons of yogurt on top, serve and enjoy. So we have listed our steps down the page. You will see that we start with a verb. Wash, cut, put, mix. You don't need to start with I or you. Start with the verb or the action. Here's another example with some more language for how to make a fruit salad. So this example we have used sequence words and. We started with first for my first step, then for what comes next, and we used and to join 2 actions. Cut them into small pieces, action 1, and put into a large bowl, action 2. We've started a new paragraph with the next steps. You can see I've used next. And then finally, for the last steps to make my fruit salad, and we have used and twice, 2 times. Mix the fruit in the bowl, action 1, and to link, action 2, serve into smaller bowls. This one is a little more advanced in writing because we have used sequence words, first, then, next, finally, and also our steps, we have put some together, so 2 steps in 1 sentence for better writing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.